Hey guys, this is Sarah from Look What I Made, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this table mounted tray. I always have the problems that when I'm working on my desk I'm spreading out so much that my tea and my cup of tea don't have any space. So I made this tray that uses limited space off the desk, but I can still place my tea here. But this tray also have like various other scenarios you can use. For example, to widen a narrow window sill, to place your plants here, or here, as you can see, I have a very small coffee table, and so I can place more stuff on it, mainly snacks. You can also use this tutorial just to make the simple tray and not do the table mounted part. Now let's get started. I'm just gonna take this with me. First of all, we need the Wiener Geflecht. I cut the base of the tray first beforehand out of a wooden piece I had at home. Then cut a stripe of the Wiener Geflecht. Once you have the clean stripe, you need the base again and an electric staple gun. Then staple the Wiener Geflecht all around the base. Once you are finished, you can cut off the excess of the Wiener Geflecht. I also trimmed the edges at the bottom to give it a sleek look and make it easier to stand. Then I take this flexible wooden band and some wood glue, put it on the band, smear it a little bit with my finger to make it smooth, and then I stick it to both sides of the top. I use paper clips to hold it in place and let it dry overnight. This is now what it looks like the day after. If you want to have a simple tray, this is now your finished product. Well done! To make it table mounted, we need 2 square pieces of wood and a table clamp. Take those squares and a drill and drill a hole of the size of the top of your table clamp into the squares. Then glue those squares together. Then we need to fixate it to the bottom of the tray. Turn it around, glue it with the wooden glue, and I used also 4 little nails to keep it in place. The table clamp is actually a screw-on, so it makes it easier to attach to the wooden plates. Then it's done. You can mount it on any table or any surface that you like.